Elevate your home decor with Levolor light filtering roller shades. These shades are designed to gently diffuse natural light while preserving your privacy. Transform your space with these versatile roller shades that enhance any interior space, making them perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, and offices alike. Let's explore the options in the Levolor light filtering roller shade collection, designed to give style, choice, and convenience. Color options. Set the stage with 17 designer-inspired colors in both smooth and soft textures. All fabric styles are made from 100% polyester. The shade material is the same on the front and back for a consistent look from every angle. Lift options. There is a perfect lift type for your needs. The nylon beaded chain is standard and is a great choice for tall or hard-to-reach windows. This lift features a continuous bead chain loop for smooth lifting and lowering of your shade. The child safety tensioner is included and must be installed to operate the shade. Shades ordered less than 32 inches in height will receive a metal beaded chain. The cordless lift is simple, sleek, and safe. Raise or lower this shade with the included bottom rail handle for smooth and effortless control. This lift is a favorite for homes with kids or pets. Having trouble reaching the top of your window? Just add the optional 30-inch extension rod to make adjustments a breeze. Take your window treatment to the next level. Levolor battery-powered, motorized lift is perfect for hard-to-reach windows or anyone that loves modern convenience. The 15-channel remote allows you to lift and lower to your desired position from anywhere in the room. Want to go even smarter? The optional hub syncs to Wi-Fi to enable control and smart home integration. Upgrade to the Cassette Valance with a matching fabric insert in the front. The Valance conceals the roller tube at the top of the window for a sleek designer finish. Side mounting is not available with this option. Installation type. Levolor offers flexibility in how shades are installed. Standard installation lets you mount your shades using screws and brackets. For open roll shades, the hook-style brackets allow you to side mount, top mount, and wall mount. For the Cassette Valance, the silver metal brackets allow you to top and wall mount, but not side mount. The optional EasyMount installation is fast and screw-free. Simply lock the headrail in place and attach your Levolor roller shade. Please note, EasyMount is only available as an inside mount with a Cassette Valance and is not compatible with the beaded chain lift. And that's not all. Levolor builds in thoughtful details that make every shade even better. Matching fabric curved bottom rail. Every lift option includes a coordinated curved fabric wrapped bottom rail for a polished and finished look. Magnetic door brackets. Designed to securely anchor the bottom of your outside mounted shade to the door. No more swinging or rattling. Color-coordinated nylon beaded chain. The beaded chain lift includes a matching chain and child safety tensioner in white, vanilla, gray, bronze, and black for a tailored custom finish. GreenGuard Gold certified. All roller shade fabrics are GreenGuard Gold certified. This ensures that your Levolor shade contributes to healthy indoor air quality in your home. Why choose the Levolor light filtering roller shades? Levolor is dedicated to transforming your living spaces through stylish and functional window treatments. The Levolor light filtering roller shades will enhance your comfort, privacy, and light control while adding value and beauty to your home